Let's start the demonstration. First, ensure the profile option Redwood cycle count pages enabled is set to yes. Next, we will proceed to access the new feature Approve Count Sequences using a Redwood page using the task cycle count approvals. You can access it from the Inventory Management work area. Once you click the task cycle count approvals page opens. We will search for the profile option Redwood cycle count pages enabled and ensure that the profile value is set to yes. We will exit the page once the profile option setup is confirmed. After ensuring that the profile option is set, we will access the task cycle count approvals using the panel drawer on the Inventory Management work area. Click on the task to access the page to approve cycle counts pending approval. Cycle count approvals page opens and you may select the organization to access cycle counts for approvals. Search for the cycle count name to approve. Click on the cycle count list item to view the count sequences available to approve for the cycle count. This opens the cycle count approvals page with the cycle count as context switcher. You may view the count sequences to approve. All the details are available in the table for you to view and decide on the action you would like to take to approve, reject or recount. You may choose to update the additional information on the count sequence. Click the update icon. Count sequence opens in a drawer and you may view the details. We will enter the additional information in the descriptive flex field and click the Save button. Click the button to update the additional information for the count sequence. Toast message confirms the successful update of the count sequence. Next, we will click the hyperlink on the count sequence and view the count sequence details. Count sequence details and information can be viewed in the drawer. Expand the additional information section to view the details we have updated earlier. Next, we click the Count History tab to view the count history details and comparison for the count sequence if it has been recounted multiple times. Close the drawer to exit. We will also try to add more fields to the table to view the additional field available for the count sequence. Click the icon to add more columns to the table. Select columns here to add them to the table. You may also choose to remove some fields if they are not required. Close the window once you have added all the additional columns required on the table. We may view the columns added in the table. Now we will select a few count sequences and approve them. After selecting 2 count sequences, we click the Approve button. You may select up to 10 count sequences to approve, reject or recount. Now we will enter comments and reason if any while approving the count sequence. These details are applied to all the selected count sequences. Click the Approve button to approve the count sequences. We see a toast message confirming that 2 count sequences are approved. We are able to approve cycle counts. This concludes the demonstration.